Hello everyone. Neer Dosa is an authentic breakfast from coastal Karnataka, especially from Mangalore and Udupi. People who visit this place cannot come back without tasting this special breakfast. Today I am going to show you the complete traditional recipe for Neer Dosa. In this video I will show you how to prepare the perfect batter, what tawa works best for Neer Dosa and what chutney that pairs with Neer Dosa. I will also show you the truly authentic coastal way of serving it to bring out the real essence of home and coastal flavors. So make sure you watch the video till the end without wasting any more time. Come on, let's get started. I have soaked 1 cup of rice overnight. This is how exactly moms do. Soak the rice at night so it will be ready by morning. Then they can simply grind it and make fresh dosas for breakfast. Add the soaked rice to the mixer jar. I will be using same soaked water for grinding. Add enough water and make a nice paste out of it. Once the rice is nicely ground, add half a cup of freshly grated coconut. Then add a little water and grind it again until you get smooth batter out of it. See how nice and smooth the batter is? Next, I will be adding more water to this to make it really thin. In Kannada, neer means water. This dosa takes lots of water. Little more. This may look too thin, but trust me, this is exactly how neer dosas are made. This is what gives them soft texture and beautiful pores. So just trust me, it will turn out perfect. Add salt as per your taste. Let me talk little bit about tawa. You should use cast iron tawa to make this authentic dosa. If you do not have cast iron tawa, you can still make it on non-stick tawa, no problem. But the texture will be slightly different. Since this is very thin dosa, on non-stick it may turn out crispier, while on cast iron it stays soft and gives the perfect traditional texture. I have nicely greased the tawa. Take a scoop of it and gently splash it on the hot pan, just like this, evenly. See those beautiful pores? Try to cover these big gaps. Close the lid and cook it for a minute. Remove the lid and do not take it off immediately. After giving about a minute, gently lift it off the pan. See how beautifully it is coming out. For this dosa, you do not need to flip them. Cook it one side, that's enough. I hope you are enjoying all the tips and information I have shared today. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do it. It really motivates me to keep creating more videos like this. Also, please leave your comments for this authentic dosa. I have prepared a special chutney for this dosa. It is made out of chana dal and red chilies. It is truly special. It goes perfectly well with this neer dosa. I have a full video for this chutney, so make sure you check that out. Let's move on the authentic way of serving it. The coastal way is serving it on the banana leaf. Look at this, so soft and beautiful. Look at all those pores, just melts in mouth. I am going to serve this to my family and enjoy this authentic breakfast. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.